It's probably not unexpected after what the US markets did yesterday or after the inflation data that came in yesterday, but that's all speaking in hindsight. The truth is 2% higher is not something that a few people would have expected. I mean, such a strong rally is not something that a few people would have thought of after the kind of cuts that we had yesterday, but strong show led predominantly by the financials. So the bank Nifty is it's putting up a really stellar show in today's trade. And you just look at the Nifty 50 gainers, you will pretty much see evidence of the fact. Punjab National Bank, HDFC, IDFC, there's strength in SBI. So it's essentially that rate sensitives led by the banks which are doing this to the Nifty. So a strong show really put up by all the banks. Hardly any losers, and you won't even talk about an Ambuja or Rand Maxi really. The day belongs firmly to the gainers, and the market breadth too. While sure, I mean the mid caps and small caps could have done better than what they've done right now, but the market breadth is in the positive, which augurs well too. There are select stocks in the broader markets which have done well too, but I think for now the moment belongs to the index and to the large cap banks, because those are the ones which are really packing a punch.
And you've also got the broader markets, as pointed out, which are really following suit. And remember, yesterday it was rather volatile. So we seem to have made up and, all that lost ground. So the mid-cap index, as we speak, up by a good %, as is, in fact, the small-cap index in the session. And you've got a lot of counters which are holding up very smartly, the likes of all of the mid-cap banking counters, as well as infrastructure as a pocket, which is doing its bit in today's session.